able to spread that floor.
Tapos yung tumatakbo, 4-5, napakahirap pigilan yan. Samantala, Antonio Hester, siya naman ang magsisimula ng opensa dito sa ating third quarter. Hester, Cancino at Newsome, ang 5 ng Meralco Bolts. Brickman nakiraan sa ilalim. That's a 5-0 start in favor of Meralco here in the second half. Pero hindi uubra yung pabandang tira ni Manaytay. Tatakbo naman ngayon ng Meralco. Brickman iiwan kay Newsome. Straight away, 3-point shot is good. What a start for Meralco. Galing natin
Oh, sabay pa tayo.
Simple.
Oh.
Kakasimula pa lang kasi. At eto na, yung layup, makakasagot na. Etong si Karakot. Karakot. Oh, his pass telegraphed and stolen. Thrown forward to Cancino. Iniwan pa kay Newsome for the layup. Natigil yung kanilang atake. Ngayon po poste. Itong si Aaron Fuller goes to his strong side, and when he turns to that side, madali na yan. Cross-court pass. Cancino on the strong drive. Sealed screen provided by Hester.
Oh, really good movement and rhythm.
66 all as he's Miss Eileen Shee for that report. 7:38 remaining sa ating ikatlong yugto. Brickman atake na naman. They're finding that area wide open for repeated drives.
Brickman again being aggressive there, scoring another point.
Ang tapang ng tirang yon mula dito kay Asisio. Big block from Manaytay, stopping one-on-one. Ito si Antonio Hester. Wow! Ibibigay sa ilalim kay Fuller. Inikutan yung depensa. That's a big 5-0 run for the Rain or Shine.
Rain or Shine did not panic. Coach Yang pushing the right buttons, bringing in a number of guys. Asisio, mas maganda ngayon yung takbo ng ofensiba. Itong Rain or Shine.
Pero may problema sa kanan yung depensa ng Rain or Shine. Masyadong bukas. Yung mga layup masyadong simple. Samantala si Manaytay nakaw na naman ang 2 puntos dyan. Cancino. Binomba pa. Ganda naman nun mula kay CJ. Cancino nanakawan. Clean swipe according to the referee. Ball recovered by Brickman. Umikot pa. Palasa ng tao itong Meralco as we check out this play of the game. Brought to you by Sports Plus. A 180 coming from Jason Brickman as he rescues the play for Meralco. At siya na rin ang kumpleto with this reverse layup. Sa ilalim na naman, pero sobra yung reverse layup nitong si Cliff Hodge in traffic. Tatakbo ang Rain or Shine. May bumabang depensa, hindi inalala.
And itong si Aaron Fuller is just diving all the way to that shaded area to seal whoever's in front of him.
Tres na naman mula dito kay Brickman, and when that 3-point shot is going for Brickman, mishandles but recovers. Clarito sa ilalim, blocked by Bates. Clarito gets it back pero masyadong maraming depensa.
34 points for Rain or Shine in the first, 32 for Meralco. And then second quarter, 26 and 22 na lang yan.
3-point shot is open from the corner para dito kay JV Mocon. Nokom ilalabas. Malonzo naman ang umatake. Reposition from Nokom, and he ties the ball game with a counter 3. Brickman ilalabas kay Mocon. 4 gusto. Pasok yan para dito kay Banquero. Susubukan dagdagan ang kanilang 4 na puntos na kalamangan. Ayun na naman, pasang Brickman. Dire-diretso dito kay Brandon Bates. 86-80, mga bante ng Meralco Bolts. David, atake na naman. Layup wala. Rebound para kay Quinto. Bong Quinto. Bumara muna pero iniwan siyang mag-isa. 3-point shot. Pasok yan!
A team like the San Miguel Beermen as well.
Brickman goes behind the back. Brickman, pumasa pa. Pero mintis yung tira para kay Bates. Second effort, wala pa rin. Third effort, uubra na para kay Quinto.